Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video today on National Business Capital. I'm noticing I'm getting a lot of emails, people I'm sitting on the phone speaking with, doing FaceTime calls. People are asking me, how can I get some business funding if my personal credit is not in the right position, score might be low, and on top of that, on my business side, my business profile and score are not in the right position. Where can I get business funding? I always tell people, let's do it the right way. Make sure you got good credit scores on the personal side. Make sure your business profile is looking good with enough accounts and decent scores. But we understand people are trying to find a shortcut to get some business funding. So again, I'm here to bring you one, National Business Capital. Now, National Business Capital, I will say, is a fintech company, but if you were asked them, they will say they're a little higher than a fintech company. But they partnered up with 75 other lenders that could get you approved. So if one don't get you approved, they will look around. Now, you might be saying, are they going to shop it around with all 75 people? No. 3 to 4 different other lenders that they work with to try to get you approval. Again, long as you got a 620 credit score and higher, you'll pretty much be in good shape. We're going to get to the data now. You can't get up to $10 million, but again, you got to be generating a lot of money monthly to get that. But you can get some funding, which is the good thing. Now, they will be doing a soft pull, people. Listen to me clearly. They will be doing a soft pull through experience. So please don't have a lock, don't have a freeze on it, right? They need to go in there. They need to see what you got going on besides that credit score, right? Once they do that, as you see right here, business lines of credit, cash flow finance, equipment finance. You know, a lot of time people are starting business. They need a bunch of equipment. You could get those kind of loans. It doesn't matter. They could get you the funding. Again, they got 75 other partners that they deal with. So long as you're generating some kind of cash, they can get you approved, which is really good. Now, just to let you know, you're going to have to connect your business checking account once you get to that point, because they need to see how much money you are generating monthly. Now, the bottom line, I will have to say your company needs to be bringing in at least $8,000 a month. If your company is bringing in gross, not net, people, gross. So long as it's gross and at least 8,000, they can get you some funding, which is really good, man. Again, these are the type of ways where if your personal credit score is not looking good and your business credit score is not looking good, but you are generating money. You might have an e-com store that's generating money. Any kind of business, doesn't matter. You know, simple and easy. Funds as you need them when you need them, right? First thing you're going to do, you're going to apply, connect with an advisor, receive your money. Easy and simple. You know, I always tell you, man, when I started my journey, I used to get on the phone with customer service, be on it for 45 minutes to an hour. Again, asking them every question I need to know so I could go after for this approval, right? So we're going to apply, click this, and then you're going to put how much you want. So let's just say you looking for 150,000 at that point, right? You're going to hit next, and then it's going to lead you up to here, right? Buy out a partner, right? Finance account, purchase a business, start a business, equipment. Again, if you out there, you start a business, you need equipment. Marketing, if you have a business, you got to be marketing your business so people out there could know what you do, right? Purchase a franchise, which is really good. Working capital, we know a lot of people, if you're running a company, you're going to need some working capital, especially you might have employees and things like that you're going to have to be paying out. Again, payroll. These are all things, real estate and others. So it doesn't matter what you're looking for. So let's just say you're looking for, again, marketing, right? You know, you're trying to grow your company, get to that next level, right? So it depends on you. You know, you might be in a rush. It doesn't matter. Or you looking for the amount. So we might just say amount of funds, right? We click that. How fast do you need this money? Immediately. Within a week, within 2 weeks, within a month. It all depends on you, people. So let's say you need the money within a week. We're going to click a week, right? So again, how long have you been in business? Now I'm going to let you know another big thing that they look at. Now you just can't just start a company, a LC, C Corp, S Corp last month. They will deny. You need to be in business at least 6 months or more when it comes to National Business Capital. So if you put 1 to 3 months, you're going to get denied out the bat. back. You know what I mean? If you pick 4 to 12 months, now they will ask you what they will see on the application when they see the date that it is 6 months, so you can get that approval, right? Haven't started my business yet, you're going to automatically get denied. Looking to acquire a business, again, these are all options you got to understand when you moving forward. So let's just say you've been in business 1 to 2 years, right? What is your average monthly sales? Again, you need on the low end, people, $8,000. Even though say zero here, 10 to 29,000 here, you could click the 10 to 29,000 I recently got one of my mentees approved for $60,000, and they was making $8,000 gross. So again, that's the bottom line. Hopefully you somewhere in this window if you're trying to get approval. Again, my mentee was making about $8,000+ a month gross, not net, people, gross, and they approved them for $60,000. So again, if you're making 1,000, 2, 3, 4,000, they're not gonna approve you. They won't even consider you. So just keep that in mind, right? So let's click this right here. What is your personal credit score? Again, you need a minimum of at least 620 and better to even get approved. So let's say you click that, right? Your industry, people, come on, what are you in? You know, sales, you know what I mean? Bar, nightclub, auto repair. Let's just pick auto repair. Hit next. So once you get to this point, again, this is pretty simple. They're asking for your personal information. Again, first name, last name, email, mobile, home address. Again, if it's apartment, city, zip code, your business legal name. And again, text me with industry, news, finance, promotion, educational, webinars, and more if you into that. If not, if you don't want to be getting no kind of texts all day while you at work, or you know you run your business or whatever you may doing, then don't hit it. But again, they're working with 75 other lenders where they could get you approved. Again, you don't need a high credit score. Your business credit score don't have to be crazy. But again, I need you to stay focused. I'm not going to move forward with this, because after this is all your personal information that you will have to provide. No matter what I say or anybody say, get on the phone with customer service, as you see right here is the phone number, and ask them all the questions that you need to have, man. Again, this is National Business Capital. In the comments, tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.